Good morning, good afternoon. How is everybody doing today? Beautiful sunny here in the Bay Area. I might say it's actually a miracle to come home from Mexico and then, have beautiful weather here. Yeah, it's that time again, guys. Time to get rolling on the bike. Enjoy some of this weather. Doesn't come around too often, I gotta tell you. But yeah. So hey, if you guys haven't realized it yet, and it is on my Instagram, I'm going to be doing a video on how to install an engine guard on an FXBR Breakout. And believe it or not, it's the only video on a FXBR Breakout, to tell you the truth. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get out here and enjoy some of this nice weather, run an errand real quick. Thought I would just drop a quick video of me riding. I don't put out too many videos lately. I've been like really super busy. I was in Mexico for a week. I haven't seen my house in like about 2 years. Had a new swimming pool put in. Had some interior stuff done to the house, and I hadn't seen it. It's been done for almost a year and haven't been able to get down there because of the pandemic. But yeah, it was cool. It was shorter than I've really actually ever been in Mexico. Usually when I go back home there, I'm gone for 30 days, but I can't do that. I'm still working 3 days a week at my job. So this summer though, I do have some allocated time that I requested to have off, and I'm gonna do it. Oh yeah, beautiful day to get out and ride, guys. If you're in the Bay Area, I implore you to just take a quick ride. You don't have to go out very far, but get out and enjoy this beautiful sunny day. Feels so nice to get back on the bike. I rented a motorcycle when I was down there, a Harley Davidson Street Glide. It was okay. It was pretty old. It was like an 08, I think. But you know what? Beggars can't be choosy in a country that, they've been really hit hard down there. They're really depending on tourism to snap back. And so if you guys ever want to go to Mexico, stop listening to the media hype telling you it's not safe. Don't do it. Yada yada yada. Because it's just not true. It depends on your area. If you go to the northern border, yeah, you're going to have some problems. But the further south you go, like in the Caribbean or even the Pacific side, Puerto Vallarta, I'm in the Yucatan area. So if you go down there, enjoy it. Get out of your house. Get out of the stay-at-home fearful syndrome that's been pounded in your head with this pandemic stuff. So yeah, I looked all over YouTube to try to find somebody that has actually installed engine guards on a FXBR Breakout. Now, I understand FXBR Breakouts probably are not as popular in the United States as, say, like Europe, Australia, England. Where I mostly see these bikes is in Europe. I haven't really seen too many breakouts here in the US. Last time I saw a breakout here in the Bay Area was probably about 6 months into owning this bike a couple of years ago, and that was it. I haven't seen one since. So I looked all over YouTube to try to find a video on how to install one. I have never personally installed a engine guard. Most of the bikes I've owned throughout the years have either had them or I felt at the time I didn't need them. But you know, it's really simple to do if you can get over one little hurdle, and I talked about that on the video I made on how to install it. So if you have a Softail Breakout, go on over to my page and take a look at the video, and that one crucial part of installing an engine guard, I'll explain to you how that's done. Pretty simple stuff. Once you get over that one little teeny hurdle, it's nothing. That's still just slightly nippy when you're riding, but not too bad. I've got my my mesh coat on, so, and a t-shirt. Slightly nippy, but not too bad. Very tolerable. So anyways, guys, how's your week been? I hope it was as good as mine. Damn, I really do like the tropics. I really enjoyed the tropics. I enjoy, you know, tropical Caribbean weather. And the older I get, the less I want of the cold weather. And that is a fact. Real relaxing day. But yeah, I didn't video too much when I was down there. I did shoot some stuff on my house, and I'm going to come out with that here soon. I've got a ton of editing to get through, and I just, gosh, juggling the time, you know. Seems like I need 3 of me to get things done when I need to get them done. And the really sad part is like I said earlier, I only work 3 days a week, and I still don't have time. I think back now, how the hell did I do it? You know, when we were working 13-hour shifts, I mean, where did I find the time to get anything done? Of course, then I didn't have my channel. I just kind of picked up this channel over the summer. Extracurricular thing to do when you're bored shitless. So yeah, don't don't listen too much of what the media is telling you about Mexico. Yes, we have a situation going on with our border. That is for sure. A very sad situation at that. Part of me wishes I could do something to help people, you know, in that predicament, but, you know, it is what it is. I come from a family of immigrants myself. My mother was from Wales and raised in Ireland, and left a teenager in England to come to the United States when she was about 18 years old. So I know what it's like to be in a hearing with immigration. I used to ride the BART with my mom when she'd be finishing up her immigration papers. I was about 6 years old. The whole process took her a long time. Took her, gosh, close to 10 years before she actually became a United States citizen. And I don't mind people fleeing, you know, their country, whatever country it is, to better their lives and their families, you know, for a better life, better opportunity. You know, I don't mind that at all. And in fact, I encourage it. But at a rate of doing it illegally, you know, plays a part into your character as a person, you know. My wife, she is full-blooded Mexican, born in Mazatlan, raised in Guadalajara, and left Mexico when she was about 20 years old. And when we got married, I sponsored her. And one of the conditions of my proposal to her was that she'd have to get legal. Now, she was already legally here. She was on a visa. But I wanted her to be legal. I wanted her to have all the full benefits and opportunities that, you know, I have. And the only way that we can do that is by making her legal. And so, yeah, she became legal. And, you know, we're able to leave the country and come back. And in fact, she has less problems coming back into this country than I do. Usually when I come back, you know, I'm getting third degreed by TSA. And that's not cool, but, you know, whatever. I let them do whatever they do. I don't have anything to hide, so they want to question me for 4 hours on stupid shit, then, you know, so be it. Whatever. Hurry up so I can get out of here and get back home, get back to my routine in life. But yeah, I think that people coming here illegally are not going to get the same opportunities as, you know, people that come in legally. And again, to me, and it's just me, I think that says something about your character when, you know, forget about breaking the law, which is what you're doing, but, you know, your dignity, your honor, you know, what does that say about you? And, you know, a lot of people here are going to frown on this. They're going to see this and be like, nah, that's all right. You know, I don't want to know you, or, you know, give you dirty looks or whatever. You know, because you got to remember, everything falls on the taxpayers. Everything. And especially when you are supporting someone who's here illegally to obtain the kind of resources and money it takes for an illegal immigrant, you know, it tends to set people off. It really does. And so I get it on both sides. both sides of the realm here, and especially if your family's being persecuted in a country, you know, you want to leave it, you want to get out of there. And so the asylum part of that I fully agree with and totally support that. So yeah, there's that. I don't really have much else to really talk about other than this frickin' awesome day we're having here. Love it. So anyways, yeah, I think all my projects pretty much, I got one more project left on this bike to do that I really want to get done, and I want to put a chin fairing on it, give it a little bit more of a streamlined look to it, and I think that's pretty much gonna be it. I don't think I'm gonna be doing too much else to her. She's pretty much had everything that I can think of done to it. Oh, one other thing. I don't know if you realize this, but on the FXBR Breakouts, tends to get a little hot between the legs, like it's burning. There is a product called Captain Itch, and they sell these leather pads that you put on right between your seat and your gas tank, and it prevents your inner thigh from burning. And that's one thing I gotta get, because this bike will do it to me. Not when I'm rolling, but when I'm at a light. If I'm at the light too long, it'll do it. Alright guys, well, I'm about here at the store. I just wanted to let you guys know I'm still alive, and if you haven't already subscribed, why don't you go on to that little icon you're seeing on the screen, click the like, subscribe, dislike, or leave a comment, whether it's positive or negative, and just let me know that you're watching and you're paying attention. And if you're not, that's okay too. I don't do anything with YouTube to earn extra money. I don't do this for money. This is, to me, is more of a hobby, and to make new friends, exciting friends, and you know, that's where I'm at with it. So either like, dislike, hit the subscribe, and leave a comment, whatever the comment is, and we'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Stay safe, keep the wheels down, and we'll talk to you later.